Righto then. Now we're going another beautiful week in the markets. So I'm just going to run through some of what I think will happen this week while I'm waiting for some developments. Um, I'm hoping price is going to come down to like this zone and maybe carry on up at the moment. But I'll go over a bit of price action for that. So I didn't like that. So yeah, coming into the week. Um, We've had a lot of bullish momentum, sorry, coming up. We took out this week high now. We could actually get a bit of a retracement, although the week started off doesn't look like that. Looks like we're having a good start to the week, but that can come up into a retrace back, do anything. So, yeah, start of the week. So demand's holding, that. It's been respected. But this one here has not come down fully yet. It's had a big momentum, so you never know. This could have a bit of retracement off this now. This could hold, and all this could be taken as liquidity. But I don't think that. I just think it's probably just going to trade from these gaps and go up to the weekly supply. But going into the daily, so we've had a big push up. That's not a daily week. It needs to go. Stop any confusion. Yeah, we've had a big push up, push up. This I've got all indicators for a bullish day today because that candle has been broken. That candle has been broken, and we've got another candle. We've got another confirmation, which is the 15-minute just being broken. The Asia high just being broken. Sorry, was looking at my screen there, so got a bit confused. Um, Let me just monitor this a minute. It's not coming. Not anywhere near it yet. Hmm. What would that do breakdown? So could we have a reaction off that? Could actually have a reaction off this wick here to begin the day with the scalp. Just monitor this. So what I'm looking at here is we've had a reaction off that, we had a reaction off this, and then it come up. But then this wick here took that liquidity there. So this one would actually be a place to trade from. But also, yeah, it could get swept to then provide the move up. But as I say, we will monitor that. Going back to what I was saying, the daily has just broke that on the 15. That's broke that. For me, that's a good sign. It's going to be a bullish day today. It's on Edgefield. The stats are something like it's like a good high percentage. It's over 50%. I can't remember exactly what it is. I'm not going to show you Edgefield in case I get banned for some reason. So yeah, coming into this new week, we've had a good bullish day to start with. Had a bit of indecision on Friday. I think I did actually make a little bit of money on Friday. It's funny because that day I made money, and then I think one of these days I lose money, and it's like I did predict where it's going to go. So it's just a really hard life being a trader. Um, but yeah, notice I'll go to the 4 hour. At the 4 hour, you could argue that supply is in control. You know what I mean? That's respected. Come down. That's respected. Respected that come down, but then that broke. Obviously, come in. That were like your last point of that were a bit of a flip zone. That were your last point of supply. And then that just smashed through that, you know what I mean? Didn't even get a reaction from it. It just absolutely smashed through it. So maybe like, all right, now, boom. Now it's like, okay, then let's go. So now I've had that. So we've got like a little mini 4 hour here. Which was like a little mini 4 hour. So yeah, I mean, and it's respected off this. I had a big push up off this. I don't know what that was. That's like a bit of a sport and resistance, I suppose, isn't it? But yeah, so we've had a big push up off that. Respected that, pushed up. So yeah, it could just keep respecting this, take out this high. Um, I'm not sure. We'll see how the week develops. But yeah, we'll see. So Coming on to the 15-minute, we have had such a momentous push already. Probably getting ready to take a trade in a minute. Not fully certain though. We'll let it develop a bit more. Got a bit of time. I'll open the calc on Magic Keys. And I've got a bit of a push. What is that? So I'll put this here ready. Try and cover that low if I can. 518. Well, I don't think we're going to have the move yet. It's going to have a bit of a breather. What is that? So it's moved 10 pips already. So we caps out with another 10 pip move, 5 pip stop loss. It's a 2-1. If it comes into here and target that range, because that's probably going to get broken. 2.5-1 to be a good start to the week, that. But I'm just going to see how it develops over the next couple of minutes. But yeah, coming into the Euro, that's more the same. Obviously, we've got demand, been respected here, been respected. Respected. It's like breaking. I would expect to see this get taken at some point over the next few weeks. So we've got this. It's like they're trending upwards. We're zooming out. So it looks like it's trending downwards, but how far do you zoom out? For the moment, it's taking it. Could just keep going, break that into this, and then come back down again. But this is what the time frame what you're looking at. This is from 22. You know what I mean? It's 2 years. So over the past 2 years, it has been slowly getting better. So yeah, hopefully it keeps getting better and takes that out. Right, I'm just going to monitor this trade because it's come straight into my zone that I'm looking to trade from. Oh, God. No news, is there? No news. No news. So these pushes. I like to execute this on the 3 minute because it's getting nice. Once you get an engulfing candle, it's like, right, that's going to be a low. But what did I say? Get a reaction of this zone here. It did look like it. Yeah, told you. Which means either going to go turn bullish on this zone or this zone. But I'm not fully committed. Obviously, it doesn't have to turn bullish. It's not what it has to do. Because if it had to do that, I'd be a millionaire and I wouldn't be still trading. Sorry guys, can't drink coffee at the moment. So there we go. I'm getting a bit of a engulfing. I'll let it develop. I'm gonna let this develop. There we go. Push up, possibly. 571. Ooh, there we go. Come on, yeah, fuck you, innit? So we target this high, this high. I might jump the gun a bit here, but yeah, I've entered that trade anyway. See what happens. I wanted it to go to that zone and then keep going up. But it looks like this is what's going to happen. I am a bit wary about where I've had to put my stop. I've not covered that low. Going that a bit too eager. But there we go. So it's going up. Right, while that's running, I'll just go over my price analysis. So yeah, went to the weekly, come to the daily. The same's happened as on GBP. We've had that break now. So looking at this trade. Sorry guys. I'm just hoping it doesn't sweep me out. My only problem with this is that I haven't covered that low there. That means it could retrace back. Yeah, I could move my stop loss, but I don't move my stop loss after I've placed a trade. So we'll see what happens. But I wanted a reaction in this zone. I said that we had a possible flip zone in here. We had a possible flip zone in here, like that, and then that wick took this liquidity out. So that was my reasoning for it. It could get took out here. This is a very high risk trade strategy. What I do first thing in the morning. Probably could actually take that before reversing. Should have covered the other lows. We had a bit of an oversold, an oversold bit here. Fully, not fully, but it's in the bottom half. Engulfing candle. I was happy with that. It's coming to a zone. I'm happy with that. So if it don't work out, it doesn't work out. There's nothing really we can do, is there? Like I said, it's more of a gamble. This one, just to make the live calls a bit more interesting. But yeah, coming to the daily. The daily's now broke that high, broke that. Coming into this 4 hour zone here, and this 4 hour zone could very well make it go down again. You know what I mean? That wick. I marked just that wick up because I got told by my mentor in Phantom the shit in wicks. So that comes up, down, bound. It's there. Probably comes down into here. But I don't know. I'm kind of wanting to see this get taken here. I'm kind of wanting to see that get taken up there. You know what I mean? So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, coming into this, I always sometimes like to run at a euro before I make these kind of short trades because that's still heading down, and my GBP trade is still heading down. But this full imbalance could get filled and then reverse. So we'll see. I just feel like a bit of a clown for not covering that low, covering my low. Just copied it straight on. But, mm, I mean, I should have covered that low there. But it was just in the moment, heat of the moment thing. But I'm still happy that this trade's going to reverse. So yeah, I'm going to shut this stream down now because I'm going to get back to live trading. I'm not just going to talk. Well, this is going to either hit my stop loss or TP. But yeah, so 16th of December, September, 8:21. I entered this. See if it clips that or takes this. Thank you for having me. I'll see you soon.